Unique design for superior performance in cutoff operations. Introducing the high-performance KPK series. The KPK series features new insert, blade, and tool block designs for rigid, safe, and secure cutoff operations. The KPK features easy insert replacement. By turning the wrench slightly, you can reduce downtime by quickly swapping out inserts. Easily mount new inserts with the self-clamping design. Another feature of the KPK system is the firm insert clamp design. The firmly secured insert uses 3 contact surfaces to eliminate sliding or chattering. In addition, separate contact surfaces improve stability. In this insert deviation comparison, KPK shows smaller deviation and higher clamping strength than the competitor. From the actual machining results, it was found that the KPK series maintains stable machining throughout. Excellent chattering resistance, surface finish, and chip control. Maintain long tool life and stable machining results. Unique inserts are designed with advanced forming technology inherited from the KGD system for superior wear resistance. In this user evaluation, the tool life was improved by 1.3 times. Chip curls are also stable. KPK provides excellent workability and cutting performance for challenging cutoff operations. Experience the high-performance KPK series for cutoff.